In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Stamp Mountains Distant in Krita. Open the Brush Presets docker, or press F6 if it's hidden. In the search bar, type Stamp Mountains Distant and select the brush. Start painting using single clicks or short strokes. Click once to place a single distant mountain stamp, or drag your brush to create a series of repeated mountain shapes. To customize the brush, press F5 to open brush settings. Adjust the size to make the mountain stamps larger or smaller. Change the opacity and flow for stronger or softer effects. You can also adjust the spacing to place the mountain stamps closer together or farther apart. For more flexibility, paint on a separate layer. This makes it easy to erase, blur, or adjust the distant mountains later without affecting the rest of your artwork. The Stamp Mountains Distant brush is designed to stamp distant mountain shapes as you paint instead of creating them manually. It's a good choice when you're painting landscapes, backgrounds, scenery, or adding depth to outdoor artwork. And that's how to use the Stamp Mountains Distant brush in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.